Hey guys, what's up? I'm Rohit Khurana, your host for Intellect Digest, and this is the first look at the Moto G second generation, which you can see here. This now gets a larger 5-inch display, which is again 720p high definition, and the display quality remains as good as it was before. It runs Android KitKat 4.4.4, and some major changes over the previous Moto G are dual frontal speakers. So you can see this speaker here, the speaker down here, and on the rear you get a mightier 8-megapixel camera which comes with autofocus and flash. There is a Motorola logo in the middle, and I'll quickly show you the camera quality. So on the rear you have now a sharper 8-megapixel camera. You can touch to take a click, and I'll also show you the front-facing camera, which is again mightier at 2 megapixel. The pictures are coming out to be sharper compared to the previous generation Moto G that we have seen earlier, and it looks quite stunning. The battery capacity remains the same, and the back is removable. You can flip the black back covers and personalize it with a lot of colorful covers that are on sale. The battery is not removable this time. It has a micro SD card slot as well. So this is the SD card slot, this is SIM 1 slot, SIM 2 slot, 8-megapixel camera at rear. The button placement also remains the same. The power or wake up key on the right hand side, followed by the volume rocker on the same side. The top gets the secondary mic hole for noise cancellation. This is the 3.5mm audio port. Left side is totally clean, and on the bottom you have standard charging port. Talking about the specs of the Moto G, it comes with a 1.2 GHz quad-core CPU, 1 GB of RAM, 16 GB internal memory, and the memory is now expandable with the micro SD card slot. So this is a big plus now. It runs the Android KitKat 4.4.4, and Motorola has guaranteed the update to next major version, which will be the Android L. So this is all we have on our quick hands-on review. We'll give you a much detailed review very soon, so make sure you subscribe to our channel and you saw this first on Intellect Digest. Make sure you press the thumbs up button to like this video. This is your host Rohit Khurana signing off. Thanks for watching.